Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can remove an address from an invoice in Xero, so let's get started. Removing a contact's address from a Xero invoice is done by modifying the invoice template you are using, as this controls which fields appear on the final document. First, navigate to the accounting menu and select Advanced, then click on the Invoice Settings option. This will take you to the Template Management area. Now, locate the specific branding theme that is currently being used on your invoices and click the Options button next to it. Then select Edit or Customize to open the theme editor. Within the editor, look for the section that controls the display of the recipient's address or contact information. The exact wording varies, but you should find a setting that lets you uncheck or toggle off the display of the billing address or postal address entirely. Once you have disabled the address display in the template settings, click Save to apply your changes. All future invoices and existing invoices that use this updated branding theme will now automatically suppress or remove the contact's address information from the printed or emailed PDF. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.